Hey, you got something cool today?
I do. This is called the 8-inch titanium long arm tweezer. A specific client in Silicon Valley asked us to build this, and I don't know what the hell they're doing with it, but they said, "Hey, we're buying these from some jewelry manufacturing house, a similar item, but they're in stainless steel." And they said, "Hey, you guys do a lot of titanium. Could you make the tweezer in titanium?" So this is an 8-inch long tweezer with a this has a 2-inch base.
Or 2 inch, the little rod is 2
Yeah, the
inches?
2-inch base here. Yes, the rod here, the extension up. So, hey, there it is, 2 inches up, and a 3-inch base. It's about 3/8 of an inch thick stainless base.
Okay. Stainless base.
Yeah. So, and the stainless here is anti-magnetic. Nothing magnetic here, and of course the tweezer is titanium. So, pretty cool. So it'll handle heat up to several thousand degrees without distortion. Again, anti-magnetic, so that was the other thing they wanted. But I think they're just holding wires or something.
Okay.
I'm
How
not
wide
sure.
does that thing open? That opens pretty wide.
It's probably just about a half an inch, maybe.
Okay, that sounds about right.
Yeah,
Looks
yeah.
about right.
They're holding small parts. Really, I think they're holding wires. I really do.
And soldering wires.
I think they're
or something.
soldering wires or something. But
Be a perfect tool for it.
yeah, it comes with this. Comes with extra joints. If you bend the joint or something, it comes with a little kit here, which I can't get open here. Let's see if I can open that. There we go.
There we go.
And let's see what else. Yeah, there's extra wing nuts in there,
you can do it
and
now,
the
right?
little stay plates are actually titanium.
Oh, wow.
So they'll take a lot of force on there if you crank down on the screw. And they give you some screws here if you want to bolt the base down to another plate or screw it to a table or something like that. So they're countersunk. Pretty cool.
Tool shop did a good job.
They did a great job. There's the base. It's
Okay.
again stainless steel. You could stick this down too, I guess, with some double stick.
Oh, yeah.
Or clamp it or whatever. But it's just a handy little thing. There, you can tighten that if you want. And of course, the wrench is for tightening the joints.
If you really want to tighten it down, and it's never going to,
You just want to crank on it. You can't.
for assembly stuff, right? Because you're doing the same thing again and again.
Yeah, I
and
guess it's
again.
going to get loose every once in a while. You're going to have to crank on it. There you go. Now it's. Yeah, that's
very,
what
very stiff.
There you go. So that is the 8-inch long, 8-inch titanium long arm tweezer by Maratac. Pretty cool. I've never seen
Big set of the titanium tweezers.
tweezers in titanium.
That's
So that
cool.
was the kicker. They wanted this. They wanted this. The base plate, we just made a very similar base plate to what they already had. We have about 250 of these extra. So there you have it.
So get yours while you can.
Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.